Today is the day we are getting the 𝐒𝐿 turned on. Heritage Irrigation is down there getting things set up right now. I'm not going in there.
GirlzLawn process, here's what we're gonna do. Certified seed, snap back for that dark deep.
No.
Boy, my season is starting off with a bang. Oh, challenges. What are we without challenges, right? So I thought the 𝐒𝐿 was going to be turned on today. That's a no-go. There's a repair that needs to happen. Still struggling with fixing my mistake over at my parents' yard. More to come on that. But I'm not discouraged. It's spring. It's lawn season, baby. It's going to be fine.